Accept your past without regret. Handle your present with confidence and face your future without fear.
With these beautiful lines, Aadhar, Abar, and a very frenetic morning to all of you present here. Honorable Chairman Sir, respected Principal Sir, all teachers, and my beloved dear friends. Today I, Ashmi,
Me, Tanusha, are here to host today's award ceremony.
छूले आसमां जमी की तलाश ना कर, ज़ीले ज़िंदगी खुशी की तलाश ना कर, तकदीर अपने आप ही बदल जाएगी मेरे दोस्त, मुस्कुराना सीख ले तब सफलता की तलाश ना कर. With these beautiful lines, I request Honorable Chairman Sir, respected Principal Sir, and Pre-Primary Coordinator Mistress Nisha Verma Ma'am to felicitate the students of GK Quiz competition from class nursery to UKG.
The third position is secured by Raghvendra of class UKGD. The first position is secured by Hardik of class UKGB.
Please give a huge round of applause to them.
A meaningful silence is always better than a meaningless word.
With these beautiful lines, I would like to call the winners of GK Quiz competition from class 1st to 5th that was inter-house competition. Now I request the primary coordinator, Mrs. Sangmitra Ma'am, to felicitate the students of GK Quiz competition. The third rank is grabbed by Anjali of class 4th B and Lakshay of class 2nd B.
The second position is secured by Ruhi of class 5th A and Khushali of class MNSB.
The first rank is get by none other than Sharvani and Anisha of class 5th B and 2nd A from Aravali House. ताली आप बजाओगे बिखर जाएगा नूर, ताली आप बजाओगे बिखर जाएगा नूर, बज जाएगा हृदय में बच्चों के संतूर, अधिक परिश्रम से किया इन्होंने आज धमाल, ताली हो भरपूर, ताली हो भरपूर. With these beautiful lines, I would like to call the winners of National Anthem Writing Competition from class 1st to 3rd that was inter-house competition. The third rank is grabbed by Jasvi of class 2nd B from Udayagiri House.
The second position is secured by Mithil of class 1st B.
And the first position is grabbed by Shard of class 2nd B from Shivalik House. Now it's time for the winners of National Songwriting Competition from class 4th and 5th. The third rank is grabbed by Sara Meena of class 4th B from Aravali House.
The second position is secured by Ansika of class 4th A from Nilgiri House.
And the first rank holder is none other than Nidhi of class 5th B from Udayagiri House.
Opportunities does not happen. You need to create them.
With these beautiful lines, let's felicitate the winners of Education Week celebration from class 1st to 5th. The third rank is get by Jayesh of class 3rd A and Dimanya of class 2nd A. The second rank is get by Kirat of class 1st C and Ruhi of class 5th A.
The first position is secured by Araf of class 4th A and Rishyam of class 4th B.
Please give a huge round of applause to them. Climbing to the top demands strength, whether it's to the top, the Mount Everest or the top of your career. With these beautiful lines, I would like to call Middle Coordinator Mistress Suchita Ma'am to felicitate the winners of English Extemporary Competition from class 6 to 8. That was inter-house competition. The third rank is get by Bhavishya of class 6A from Shivalik House.
The second position is secured by Vivek of class 8th PF from Shivalik House.
of this competition. That is none other than Yashvi of class 7th PF from Aravali House.
Winning has a value for ego, but participation has a value for life.
With these beautiful lines, I request Senior Coordinator Mr. Inder Singh Sir to felicitate the students of English Extempore competition from class 9th to 12th, which was inter-house competition.
The third position is secured by Pari of class 9th A from Aravali House.
The second rank is grabbed by Divyanshu of class 10th A from Nilgiri House.
The fourth position is secured by Yogendra of class 10th PFB from Aravali House.
Now, I once again request the middle coordinator, Mr. Suchita ma'am, to felicitate the winners of Hindi skit competition from class 6 to 8.
The third position is secured by Ravindra of 8th PF and Siddhi of class 7C from Nilgiri House.
The second position is grabbed by Charvi and Raghav from 6 PF from Aravali House.
The first position is secured by Tanu and Anushka of class 8 PF from Aravali House.
Success is not how you climbed, but how you make a positive difference to the world. Now, I request the attendance topper of this month, July, teacher of 9th MNS, Mr. Jitendra Singh Sir with his...
Good morning, everyone. Respected Chairman Sir, worthy colleagues and the students, you must be watching that every day there is something special in our school in terms of developing our personality in different aspects. And the same has been exhibited here in the form of felicitation by awarding to the students those who got different positions in many activities of the school. The calendar is well planned. The idea which came to my mind today is that the students, those who have participated for more than 3 activities, should be given a little relaxation and the new faces must come more and more. Because maybe there are still some students who did not participate even in single activity for last 3-4 years. They have been studying in the school. So I believe that everybody must get an opportunity. Of course, the best foot keep forward is the theory where everybody loves to. But still we must try to give some opportunities to the new faces even if they don't perform so well. Because I have realized that there are some students and even some teachers who are coming very first time to deliver the talk here. And after the talk is being delivered, they feel that why have I not done it before? Had I done it before, I would have done it better. So sometimes, when you don't put your words into action, when you don't put your thoughts into action, you don't actually realize how great potential you are gifted with.